I've seen those faces.
Ano po ang purpose nitong Dagyaw? Ang purpose nito is to improve trust and confidence between the people and the government.
On someone in denial, 'cause you want dollar bills right now, but you gotta work real hard. I know you want it to be easy, so let your guard down. And I said,
para lang ito sa ganitong klase mga event kung saan open para po sa ating lahat. At ngayon pong hapon, let us open the discussions and let's open the learning through this Bicol Dagyaw.
you can make it too. If not says who, you can make it too. If not says who, you can make it.
The DILG is an advocate of open governance, and we pledge to be more dynamic and active in furthering the ideas of participatory governance. Your DILG should remain committed to continue, strengthen, and support similar advocacies and activities, and be an eager partner in advancing open governance.
I know you want it to be easy, so let your guard down. And I said,
Maraming salamat po. I promise you that the DILG Region 5 will continue to strengthen CSOs para po sila ay makapag-participate, maging tunay na partner ng local government units at ng national government agencies sa governance dito po sa Bicol Region.